Just felt a little something trying to throw out a runner at the plate in Toronto. You kind of feel something, but you kind of feel nicks and stuff throughout your whole body throughout a whole season, so you really don't think much of it. Just not being able to throw the past couple of days. Kind of want to take it through the off day, see how we went. And I was pretty adamant about playing yesterday, and then I think it just kind of came down to a point where, if I got to make a play for the team and not be able to do it, that would kind of hurt. But got it checked out and got the news, and now we just go from here. Yeah, never had any really elbow issues or anything like that, so you never know what you're kind of getting into, but glad it is what it is. I couldn't throw, so I think that's kind of sums it up. But the rehab process, I'm not too sure. Probably start. I really was reluctant about going on any IL or anything like that. I was like, if I can hit, let me hit. But they'll let me. I'll start DHing, I think, once this 10th day is up. Throwing's the main concern. Hitting, it happens too quick, and it's not really the motion that I've really felt anything. I think it's the muscle that's hurt is a muscle used to grip, so there might be some issues with that, but I've been hitting with it the past couple of days, so I couldn't throw past 60 feet. So I think that kind of sums it up, especially with some of these games, how important they are. And you're going up against a Phillies team that can hit the ball over the park. I just didn't want to put our pitchers in jeopardy, just not being able to come up and make a play for them. So, I think, like I said, not being able to throw for a couple of days kind of raises some eyebrows. You never want to go in the tube. It's never fun. You don't know what's going to show up. That's why I kind of pushed off a lot of the imaging and stuff like that, because if I don't know what's going on, it can't hurt you, I guess. So, it's never too fun going in that, but glad we got a better answer than